The government is planning to pilot clean energy cooking in all 47 counties in efforts to reduce deforestation for wood fuel. Energy Principal Secretary Alex Wachira says the initiative will help Kenyans shift to cleaner and more energy efficient fuel sources.
Dependence on the wood fuel in Kenya has remained high for decades, with firewood used by 90% and 26% of rural and urban households respectively. On the other hand, charcoal is used by 40% of rural and 47% of urban households. The government is now looking to turn this around by introducing clean energy cooking solutions in all counties. Speaking during the launch of the national tree planting in Moringato Forest in Kieni East, Energy PS Alex Wachira mooted plans by the ministry to champion domestic use of electricity for cooking. Wachira said that the initiative will involve the distribution of refillable cylinders containing the clean cooking fuel alternative.
Kwa sababu tuko na shida ya stima production, we are preparing the country that in the future, not now, in the future, maybe 20 years, 30 years from now, when our resources will be depleted of energy in terms of geothermal and what have you, we shall be able to generate power using nuclear. We have a body called NUPEA, that is Nuclear Power Energy Association, Clean Energy Cooking. We have that program, and I will launch it probably in the coming year to save time. And then we conserve our forest. It is also an opportunity for businessmen.
On carbon credit trade, the Energy PS said that the recent push by the government to increase the tree cover had placed the country in a strategic spot to benefit from the trade.
These young people, there's something called carbon trading. The more we have good forest cover, the more you people are going to benefit from something we call carbon trading. And because Google is your friend, I'll challenge you to go read about carbon trading and how you can benefit.
He challenged the youth working in the community forest associations to focus on promoting and protecting the natural environment, which he said were integral to climate action.